Hi there. In this short video, I will guide you how to set up and using uh, the short name custom property on Klaviyo. Um, to change the short name property, you click on the form, then go to Klaviyo setting. You will see we have a setting called short name here. Right there, I set it into test source name. You can put it into any optional short name that you want. For example, Shopify, um, WordPress, Facebook, for example, whatever you want. Then after update it, you can test into the front end right here. If I push my email here and click send, waiting for a while, and we go into the form send success, then we will go into the test list where I set up the form send the contact to this test list. You will now see the test the email was successfully sent just a second. And if I click on this, we will see in this contact info in the information custom property we have the short name and the value is test short name. See, exactly same was which was I enter here. So that means this custom property successfully sent into the Klaviyo list, and to get out all of the contact or clients with the same short name property, what we need to do is go into the list assessment, click create list or segments. In here, we will click on segment, give the segment the name, give it a tag, see, or you can also create a new tag for this segment. And then you can choose a condition. Right now, we will choose property about someone, and then put the the conditions. Right now, it will be you will see something like short name somewhere. See, you can see the short name. Click here, and you want to choose the short name equal by what you input here. For example, equal text short name. Or if you have a other short name within your contacts, this will all list here. If you remove, or you can search, type something to search. See, you sure you can type for test. See, you will see you can search. Okay, and after you let's just click on create segment. Okay, you I forgot to enter the name of the segment, but basically that's the way how you can using the short name custom property to uh, segment your audience in Klaviyo for video have you uh, in your uh, marketing work. If you have another question for me, feel free. I will answer you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and have a great day.